Wiring of the curtain control module. The following shows how to wire and install a 2CH motorized curtain control module. A curtain control module should be installed on the DIN rail. Clip the module onto the DIN rail and press the module to complete the installation. Next, let's look at the structure. On the lower right corner is the bus interface. On the top are the wiring ports for the two channels. The four on the left used to connect the forward and backward directions of curtain 1, as well as the common wire. The four on the right used to connect the forward and backward directions of curtain 2, as well as the common wire. Buttons in the middle are for controlling the forward and backward directions of curtains 1 and 2. Next, let's complete the wiring. First, connect the BUS interfaces with the Ethernet cables. Then connect the circuit breaker for power supply. Next, I will show you the wiring for a curtain motor. Here's one with a strong current. From left to right are neutral, live, earth, forward, and reverse wires. The common wires are normally connected to 1 and 3. Then connect the forward and reverse wires to 2 and 4, respectively. High voltage motors require a power supply. To connect them, simply link the live wire and the neutral wire to a circuit breaker. Now, let's proceed with a practical demonstration. By pressing the button, you can witness the motor shaft in action, rotating smoothly. The installation and wiring of the curtain module with the curtain motor is now complete.